Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Ahuja and today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of negativity which is all around. So let's get into the video. A lot of negativity is around us. How to get rid of the negativity? And most of the people are waking up, and just after waking up they are listening the news, that is dearth of oxygen cylinders, and number of people are dying, number of cases are increasing, and this kind of news impacts our mind. So it's okay to be aware of the information, but too much indulgence in these kind of news affects your mind. Now the question is how to stay away from negative news, negative thoughts. Now the answer is quite simple, that is, occupy yourself in something productive. Utilize your time in an effective way and take care of your mind, take care of your thoughts and give proper direction to your thoughts. अभी तो कुछ जगह ऐसा हो रहा है कि if somebody is suffering from fever, somebody is coughing or sneezing, तो दूसरे लोग वो पहले ही समझने लग रहे हैं कि अब मुझे भी होना ही है, and they start feeling it. भले ही अभी ये उनको हुआ हो या ना हुआ हो, but they start feeling it कि अब तो होना है और अब पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है लाइफ का. आपका माइंड बना दे रहा है उस प्रॉब्लम को बड़ी, और जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ लिसनिंग नेगेटिव न्यूज़ ऑल द टाइम यू आर लिसनिंग दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम एवरीबडी, सो योर माइंड इज़ मेकिंग इट ह्यूज. इन कंटिन्यूसली सोचने पर सिम्टम्स भी डेवलप हो जा रहे हैं. कम ऑन, ये प्रॉब्लम है तो चली भी जाएगी. कंटिन्यूसली सोच कर आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. एज ऑफ नाउ वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस. And we don't have control over outer world. We cannot change outer world. The only thing that we can do as of now, that is to change our inner world, to change our thoughts, to occupy ourselves in something productive, in something effective that is going to help you. Through this video, I just want to tell you that take care of your mental and physical health. I just want to tell you, occupy yourself in doing something good. That is, occupy yourself in doing yoga, breathing exercise, and many more things. And occupy yourself in learning new skills that is fruitful for you. And I hope you are going to do it. And nowadays, you can develop a new habit, and it can be reading. Yeah, reading is really helpful, and I developed this habit of reading and I'm getting benefit out of it. Now, if you really want to develop a habit of reading a book, I would like to recommend you an amazing book. This is the book I would like to recommend you. 7 Mindsets for Success, Happiness and Fulfillment. Unlock your immense potential by changing the way you think. Written by Swami Mukundanand ji. And let me tell you, in this book very practical examples are given, and this book is filled with wonderful stories, and once you will start reading this book, you will start taking an interest, and I'm sure this book is going to change your thinking pattern. This book is going to change your life. Read it once. I'm sure you will learn a lot of things. Let me give an overview of 7 mindsets that are given in this book. First is the mindset of positive thinking. Second is the mindset of taking the responsibility for our emotions. Third, the mindset of inspiration. Fourth is the mindset of purity of intention. Fifth, the mindset of cultivating knowledge. Sixth is the mindset of discipline, and seventh is the mindset of growing in the face of problem. This book is going to help you in many aspects. First of all, you will learn English, and reading this book is not really a hard nut to crack for you. This book is very easy to understand, and you will learn very good words. Yeah, you will develop a good habit. That is the first and foremost thing. And the price of this book is not too high, and I bought this book from Flipkart, and I bought it at 299 rupees, and I think you can buy it. Okay, so that's it for today. I will be back with another video. You take care of yourself. Bye bye.